So we're gonna little dings here and there. We're gonna solve. There's some minor stuff actually. You can see some old repairs. So I'm gonna just put some white gel coat in there that I'm gonna throw some matched gel coat in there, and I'll just polish to it. But this is looking, I mean, look at it. It's looking really good. You can see the reflection outside and that kind of thing. All the way around. Pretty fantastic. And I'll be hitting, these are a couple little spots. These were high spots actually in the gel coat. So I'll be hitting those with a little bit of matched gel as well. A couple little dings here and there. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. We'll sand this edge a little bit so the bottom paint sticks. And the only thing that sucks is this part here where we've got the boat up on a regular auto lift.